Hello there, friends. Good day, good day. I hope you're having a fantastic day. A day as good as mine. Today is a day. Heading out to Orlando. Trying to see what's behind a new door as a vacation home. So I'm glad you could come along with me, and I'll be happy to show you what I'm doing along the way. I'll see you there. Hello there, friends. Good day, good day. I hope you're having a fantastic day. A day as good as mine. Today is day one in the beautiful Orlando, Florida area. One of many day I expect to spend in this area in the coming months and years. Today I'm here at the waterfront. It's a local eatery, and so far the menu appears very promising. From the menu today, I've decided to have the grouper. with the colored greens. Sounds like something healthy and up my alley. I have not gone to a Jamaican restaurant yet. That is something, and the plan. In the coming days, I'll be out and about house hunting to make this place a second home. So, my friends, here I am, like I mentioned, day one. Help me celebrate. Having a glass of Chardonnay. One selection was limited, but we're subtle as Chardonnay. So, but before I take a sip, as usual, you get a first sip. Cheers. Cheers to your health. The restaurant is called the Waterfront, as I mentioned. And any minute now, I'm thinking that I will see Brother Gator roll out. I am just kidding, but that's how I feel sitting here. This reminds me very much of somehow Jamaica, my paradise. So my friends, I am glad you could come along with me. I can't wait to show you what I'm having for lunch. I mentioned it's a grouper, waiting to see what the presentation is like. Thank you for coming along with me. So my friends, this is the start of lunch. The first full day of our days here in Florida, with the exception of the feast I had last night with my daughter and granddaughter. This is the grouper with collard greens and a spicy remoulade, crab cake with arugula, and the red onions and tomato, a little salsa, and the pokey. That's for lunch. I am so glad you could join. So my friends, I'll be digging into my grouper with the braised collard greens and the spicy remoulade, as I mentioned earlier. But as usual, before I take a bite, and by the way, pickled onions as a component that actually make up this dish. But like I said, before I take a bite, you get the first bite. A big mouthful. That is delicious. A little bit on the salty side. Normally I would request it to have the blackened
customize with a lighter spice. I didn't do so this time, but it's really, really delicious. And what can I say? Cheers to day one of Orlando, Florida. So my friends, honestly, you could literally call me the water boy. I will wear that nickname any day. Why? You may notice I love water. I love to be around water. Coming from the Caribbean, what can be more soothing? Every chance I get to be around water, I'm around water. Today lunch was actually very, very good. I would describe it as a South meet East because of the makeup of the dish, the blackened grouper, the braised collard green, and the creamy grits, which I had not mentioned earlier. That component really is in my opinion, East meet or South meet East, and it was exceptionally good. So much that I normally clean my plate, but today I don't think I can. It was a hearty portion, and I never like to gorge myself. And of course I'm on vacation, so I'm not going to take it home with me. But suffice to say, lunch was really, really good. And I'm going to try to have a couple more mouthfuls. I'll show you what I have left on my plate. I've gone a long way. I'm going to have a couple more mouthfuls, and I have to call it a day. Because, perhaps because of the grits, it was really, really, really rich. And if anything, for the heck of it, I'm going to finish my greens. Overall, this is a healthy choice. A healthy, satisfying choice. Oh, to heck with it. Remember I told you before, I'll never do mukbang. I'm gonna finish this sucker. My friends, honestly, I did not want to disappoint you. And so, that's why I finished my plate. That was the extent of my mukbang. So my friends, overall, it was a good lunch. Don't complain. My first of many, I hope, in the beautiful Orlando area and throughout Florida. as weeks and months goes by, and years for that matter. Until then, my friends, this is Jamaica-one Move, saying thank you for joining me for lunch. Until next time, just a reminder, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Day one of my Florida Odyssey. Thank you for joining me. Love you, my friend. Peace.